I'm going over the Mullein drops from Herbify. I listened to this as a gift so I could tell you why I like it. So let's get into it. So I started taking Mullein drops whenever I get a little sick and I feel like in my lungs and in my nose. And I really like it for that. So that's why I take it. But it may be able to help with like lung cleanse, things like that. And so this is what it looks like. It's just a dropper, okay? And it is a thicker liquid, which was something that took me a second to get used to. You can put this in water and mix it up if you want to, or you can just take it as is. And what you'd want to do is take 1 milliliter, and as you can see here, it has the 1 milliliter on the actual dropper, so you know exactly what you're getting here. And then I take it just like that. And to me, it tastes a little bit like molasses or some kind of like really dark, like sweet sugar. So it actually has a pretty nice taste, especially for like when you're sick or something like that and you don't want anything gross. I do really like it for that. So let me go ahead and give you an up close look.
So here's just a quick up close look at the bottle so you know exactly what you're getting here. I think it's a great option if you prefer liquid herbal extracts over like capsules or tablets. Much easier to take in my opinion. And I also like that it's made with both the mullein leaves and flowers for a concentrated herbal extract.
And depending on how you're feeling and where you're at, you're going to want to take between 1 milliliter to 1 to 3 milliliters about 3 times a day for this. And I like this one specifically because it is USA sourced, which I don't find in a lot of other supplements. So I like that this one is from the USA. And I personally like this one over others because it's not as thick of a liquid. On the other Mullein drops that I've had before, the liquid is so thick, it's very hard to swallow. This one is more liquefied, if that makes sense, and it's much easier to swallow. So I do really like that. I don't want to gag or anything when I take this because, again, it is nice and sweet. If you like things more on the natural side, this may be able to help, again, with like respiratory and the immune system. So yeah, I hope this review helps. And if you're watching this, have an awesome day.